First, remove the passenger side weather strip, then pop off the side trim panel and take out the clips inside. We've already removed ours here. Next, pull off the door sill trim. Once that's out of the way, gently pry up the original dashboard trim and remove it. Take the new replacement light strip and feed the right side light cable through the dashboard toward the side trim area. Now grab the power harness. It comes with 3 pins. Insert the red pin into the slot with the red wire. The green pin into the upper slot with the green wire. And the black pin into the lower slot with the black wire. Connect one end of the power harness to the control box and the other end to the light strip cable. Then hide all the wiring neatly. Reinstall the door sill trim. The side trim panel and clip everything back in place. Finally, put the weather strip back on, and that's it.